It's the next day, and I just decided to come on and show you guys how the pajamas look on me that I picked up from Target the other day. This is in a size large. Like, this is how the pants look on me. I want to say they had a different color. Yeah, really cute and comfortable. So I will link this in the description box below. And these are my little fuzzy bedroom shoes from Amazon. I'll link those as well. Let me go ahead and get my day started. Y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed that little nighttime routine. I get a lot of questions about my skincare routine, so I decided to do that for you guys. I have everything listed that I use in the description box below. I have a few things I need to re-up on: my vitamin C, my Dermalogica vitamin C, and then my Chanel Lift eye cream. I need to do that, and I also need to get some more of my neck serum because that is getting pretty low. But right now I am on my way to Rose because I'm in the mood for some seafood. So I think I'm gonna do some seafood tonight. And after I finish doing all of that, I'm going to the mall to exchange the stuff that I got from H&M. So that is the plan for today. Yeah, look at this sweater. This is so cute. They don't have my size though. This is so cute. I'll link a video in the description box on how I make my seafood because I've done it so many times on this channel. All right, day 9. This is by Bioma. I think that's how you pronounce it. Ugh, if I could get it out of here. Well, it's stuck right now. Because I want to see what this looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like. And it is a creamy jelly cleanser. This tricinamide complex licorice root green tea. Let me open it and see what it looks like. This. I wish I knew you wanted me. Ooh, girl, what you do? Feels nice. Smells like nothing. So yes, this is day 9 in the Avid calendar from Target. So instead of doing 1 and 1, I'm just gonna go ahead and do both of the Dungeness crab tonight and then save my snow crabs for Sunday, for Sunday football. And I'll probably just get like 1 or 2 more. But for these 2 Dungeness crabs, I only paid $17.91. That's why I've always told you guys, especially when I was doing my mukbangs, if you live in Florida, cook your own seafood, girl, because it's cheaper, okay? And it's better if you know what you're doing. Boom, seafood is done. Have some crawfish, 2 Dungeness, potatoes, corn, mayo, and mustard dip on the side. If you know, you know. This just takes me back to the old days. Friday night, seafood. I would do my mukbangs. I don't do mukbangs anymore, but I'll link the channel in the description box below. Good morning. So today is Saturday. I just wrapped a few more gifts. I ran out of the pretty ribbon, so I don't want to buy more. I did find the rope that I told y'all about. I ended up finding it along with the extra tape. So yeah, I was pretty happy about that. But what I'm gonna do, I wrapped some of the stuff with the ribbon or the rope, whatever. So what I'm gonna do is just rearrange some of the stuff. I have a few more gifts to get because I still haven't got gifts for my parents yet. Which I'm trying to decide what I'm going to get because I want it to be something that they're going to actually use or enjoy. Nothing that's just going to sit around. I'm not buying any more wrapping paper gift, or I'm not buying any more bows. So put out the pretty ones in the front. That's the trick. It's a bow on the, ooh. Oh, this bow looks crazy. Okay, put this one right here. Put this one right here. Let's see how it looks on camera. I don't like this. I messed my bow up a little bit. And then I'll set this one right here. I messed this bow up. Christmas time on ice. I love this little cute one. This one is so cute. This one is for Kalila. I'll put it right here. Something like that, because I still got a few more things to put under there, so. Cute. so that is how I do my makeup. Very simple. So I'm getting ready to do my hair, get dressed, and end this vlog here and start another one. So I hope you guys enjoy hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at IAMSHERIKAB and TikTok SherikaB2, and I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll holla.